Many people have said, after reading the stats put out by Pew's Internet and American Life project in 2005, that we do not have to worry about the digital divide. It has solved itself. By looking at the stats, 67% of American adults and 87% of American teenagers now use the Internet. This makes it look like there is no need for concern when referring to the digital divide. But if you look at the stats a little bit more carefully and break them down by race in the United States, you'll find that 47% of African Americans and 44% of Hispanics use the Internet. Lloyd in 2006 stated that the racial divide in computer usage is tied to a broader problem, including poverty in Black and Latino communities and even a cultural reluctance to the use of the Internet. Many people within the blogosphere have taken exception to the focus on race when looking at the stats of computer use, as shown by Cannell. In terms of reporting, this is not an issue of discrimination of one race over another, and the very hint of such in the exclusive black versus white comparison in the article only propagates stereotypical cultural differences and historical prejudice. Our job as developers of e-learning courses and materials is to create the material in such a way that it does not promote the digital divide but destroys it. We need to make sure that the applications and the learning management systems that require the latest and most expensive computers to function may not be the most inclusive method of course design. Many discussions of course development tend to be very aware of accessibility rules for handicap, but not for connectivity, bandwidth, and computer speed, which might all be concerns for financially challenged students. Do you think that the digital divide can be applied to the digital natives versus the digital immigrant, as described by Prensky, and hence applied to age? It's all one big question.